Hello everyone, myself S. Sedapati, Assistant Professor from Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at Vellalar College of Engineering and Technology. In this unit, we will learn how to solve problems systematically, design algorithms, draw flowcharts, and understanding the basics of C language. Problem solving aspects. Problem solving in programming follows four important steps. Step 1 is problem identification. We clearly define what needs to be solved. Step 2 is problem understanding. We analyze the input, output, and constraints involved. And step 3 is algorithm development. We design a step-by-step logical solutions. And step 4 is solution planning. We decide how to implement and verify our approach. The most important rule is this: always understand the problem completely before you start writing code. Jumping into code without a plan leads to errors and wasted efforts. The slide number 3 is algorithms and flowcharts. An algorithm is a finite set of well-defined steps to solve a program. A good algorithm must have the following 5 properties. First one, input. It must accept 0 or more inputs. The second one, output. It must produce at least one output. The third one, definiteness. Every step must be clear in this algorithm. The fourth one, finiteness. It must terminate after a finite number of steps. The fifth one, effectiveness. Each step must be simple and practically executable. Now we see the flowchart. A flowchart is a visual diagram of an algorithm. We use an oval shape for start and stop, a rectangle for process steps, a diamond for decision points, and the parallelogram for input and output. Arrows shows the direction of flow between steps. The next slide is Flowgram. Flowgram is a free educational tool that helps beginners learn the program through flowcharts. It allows you to drag and drop flowcharts blocks to design your algorithms visually. You can run the flowchart directly and see the output in real time without writing any code. Flowgram can also automatically convert to your flowchart into C, Java, or Python source code. And using its debug mode, you can trace your algorithm step by step to find and fix errors. Flowgram is the perfect bridge between algorithm thinking and actual programming. The C programming language has a rich history. In 1967, Martin Richard created BCPL, which influenced later languages. In 1917, Ken Thompson at Bell Labs developed the B language. In 1972, Dennis Ritchie created the C language at Bell Labs, alongside the Unix operation system. In 1978, the famous book The C Programming Language was published by the Kernighan and Ritchie. In 1989, ANSI officially standardized C languages as C89. Later, C99 added new features in 1999, and C11 grew further improvements in 2011. C remains one of the most powerful and widely used language even today. The sixth slide is C language elements and basic structure. Every C program is built from tokens. There are 6 types. Keywords are reserved words in like int, float, if, and return. You cannot use them as variables name. Identifiers are the names you given to variable and functions. Constants are fixed values like numbers or characters. Strings are sequence of characters in double quotes. Operators are symbol like plus and minus, and special symbols include curly braces, semicolons, and the hash symbol. Looking at the basic structure of C program, every program starts with an include directive to load the standard input-output library. The comps and main functions were the declared variables, read inputs using scanf, process the data, display output using printf, and finally return 0 to end the program. The seventh slide is variable data types and operators. C provides 5 fundamental data types: The int type stores whole numbers and typically occupies 2 or 4 bytes. The float type stores single precision dimensional numbers in 4 bytes. The double type stores double precision dimensional numbers in 8 bytes. The characters like char char type stores a single characters in 1 byte, and void represents the absence of any values. C also supports many operators. Arithmetical operators perform calculations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Relational operators compare values. Logical operators combines conditions. Assignment operator stores value. Bitwise operators works as the binary level, and the increment and decrement operators increase or decrease values by 1. The last slide is the summary of this unit 1. Problem solving follows 4 steps: identify, understand, development, and plan. Algorithms must be in finite, definite, and effective. Flowchart visually represent algorithm using standard symbols. Flow helps design and test algorithm without writing code. C was created by Dennis Richard in 1977 and standardized through C89, C99, and C11. C programs are built from 6 types of tokens, and the 5 basic data types in C are int, float, double, character, and void. Thank you.